Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Koko Hedon is here, and now I will review a new bag from Louis Vuitton. I just bought it today for the Christmas gift for myself. Now I will unboxing it, but before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. So check this one out. So we will start with the small paper bag. Wow, ta-da! Wow, card holder, and then we will open the big one. Okay. Whoops. Wow. I'm really nervous. This is the receipt, and wow. Wow, this is super cool. This is outdoor Bumbag Taigarama by Louis Vuitton. Wow, this is really amazing. Look, really match, right? So I will give you the closer look of these two. First of all, I will show you what I purchased in the small box. Since I have a lot of cards and my wallet and another card holder was not enough anymore, yesterday I decided to purchase a new card holder with black monogram Louis Vuitton. And for the primary Christmas gift for myself, I purchased a new bag which always comes with orange box and envelope of receipt and the task bags. I know I already have a lot of bags, but I purchased this bag because of the size and color of the bag. This is the outdoor Bumbag Taigarama by Louis Vuitton. The monogram card holder is really simple design which can contain two cards in each side. The card holder has LV logo monogram on the front and has black leather as separator. On the other side, it's only the flower from the monogram with the same two card slot. And if you need more space, there is from your card compartment in the middle. In the interior color is black, so you don't have to worry get any stain inside. And there was Louis Vuitton Paris leather inside. The next is the outer Bumbag Taigarama. Actually, this is not a brand new bag because Tigerrama collection is already released since last year. But this Bumbag released about summer in 2020. This bag has two compartments, same as the outer messenger. The difference is the size and the strap from side of the bag. Connection of the bag and the strap, they have the Tigerrama leather. I think the fabric strap is a little bit thin and has silver hardware which can you unplug easily. A lot of people buy Tigerrama collection because of the texture and the quality. The first compartment is in the front of the bag. I think this compartment is really useful. You can put your phone or power bank or any medium stuff, and you can spot full out eclipse monogram on the back of the bag. I think this is my favorite part, but when you wear this bag, this part will not even be exposed. However, I admitted the details of Tigerrama leather and eclipse monogram has good quality. Since the bag is black, the hardware is silver, the main compartment is really big for a Bumbag. I think the interior color of the bag is the most important for me. I don't want to get any dirt or stain. This bag has black interior color which much safer from another bright color. This authentic bag comes with text, label, barcode from the store, and if you see much closer inside, you will see some of code protection with small letter, but I have watched some of fake stuff also copy this code. And now I will give you a closer look for the Tigerrama leather and the silver hardware of the bag. So this is the final question: what fits on the Bumbag Taigarama? Lately I pick a bag that fit for my camera. This bag absolutely fit for my camera, but I cannot show you because this camera is recording for this video. I put a lot of stuff in the main compartment, such as my pouch, my wallet, and then my DJI small pocket for my vlog, the Monogram Cardholder as well, and even my sunglasses fits on this bag. I think you can put more stuff in there, but I will show you the front compartment can fit my Xiaomi power bank and also iPhone 11 Pro Max. So what do you think? In the first place, I'm a little bit confused because white color also good, especially when I wear it, but I'm not sure I can use the bag anytime I want because of the fear of the dirt or color transfer. So I decided to purchase the black. I think it's more versatile and casual for me. Okay, how was the bag? I think this bag is really cool. The Tigerrama of the Bumbag has three colors: white, orange, and this black. I choose the black color because you can match with any color of your shirt. And the most important, I can put my camera in this bag. So if you want to buy this is a worth bag from Louis Vuitton. And I'm really happy because I had the same color of the Tigerrama with the card holder. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you again in another Koko Hedon review. Bye! Everyone, welcome back to my channel for my Christmas holder with black monogram. Oops. Oh, this is the outdoor